They used to let us use their apartment, a place to fill our bottles, wash off the dirt, sit for a moment without watching our bags. Now they've been kicked out, and they're with us. Two more mouths, two more stories, and a past that shouts louder than the wind some nights. But we've got space, not much, just enough to offer back what they once gave. It's not peace, not really, but it is something. Something alive and loud and human. This may be the start of what I always dreamed of. A nomadic convoy that grows and shrinks like breath born of need, held together by necessity, and maybe something more. Even with the yelling, I'm happy. Let's begin. Check it out, guys. We got another fire going. Oh, it's already kind of burned out. The friends we've been staying at, they decided to join us out here. Just some drama happened, and I guess they're without a place to live properly. We already aired out the idea of them coming out here and joining us, at least in a leisurely sense, you know, just for a few days to have fun. And who knows what happens, right? Friendships, they ebb and flow, so maybe they'll all figure it out and go back in that apartment. But if not, they can just stay with us, you know? We can, we can start the nomadic, what do you call it? Convoy. Yeah, a nomadic convoy. It's kind of a dream of mine, you know, just having people join up and leave us at their own leisure. And yeah, just have this evolving community of people who all want to do the same thing. So maybe this is the start of that. Maybe it's just a taste of it. Let's see. Look, the guys just came back from bicycling. So we're up to 4 people now. Let's go. They requested that I start up the fire again so they can dry off and heat up a bit. So let me get to it. I mean, it sure is pouring down, but let's try. This is why I brought Mike. Check it out, he's a fucking genius, man. Like, I would have not thought of that. Let's fucking go, man. And yeah, look at it. We just got the fire up and going just like that. Teamwork. There we go. I told him to come heat up. It's nice. Now we're 4. I want to build a convoy. I want to just end up building a convoy of people, of traveling nomads. So this is great. Virkelig regnen alligevel.
Nej, vent du lige ved udstykke lidt.
Nej, det er rigtigt.
Så så du her bare, det var solskin og 40 grader varmt.
I'm all hooded up. I'm all protected, guys. Check it out. It looks like our friends who we've been staying at for the past few days, that I'm not really gonna speak to their personal situation, but something's up with their living situation, and it seems they're gonna come here hang out with us, so they brought some food from the freezer. Well, I guess I got my my dream fulfilled of being a camp mama, responsible for getting the firewood and cooking the food and keeping things in order and giving them little tips like, you know, heating up, borrow my sleeping bag and heat up to get your wet socks off and all that, you know. It's nice. I mean, it's definitely more responsibility than I signed up for. I just signed up to do this on my own, you know. But I do feel a bit of a responsibility being the oldest, and well, I think Mike might be older than me, but only in chronological age, okay? Like, I'm definitely the adult one here. I mean, the guy here even once mentioned, like, oh yeah, I had to have the adult do it, referring to having to have us do something that pertained to cooking. You know, because they consider us adults, right? Like, sure, to myself, I'm just a young guy, you know? I consider them my equals, but, you know, to them, I'm like a fully grown man. It's kind of freaky, right? It just happens all of a sudden. younger people are just like, yeah, you're the adult, you know what's up. So I guess I gotta live up to their expectations. Be like the camp mama. We could have witted bliss if we'd only begin it. I'm feeling love down. You know what I'm talking about. You let the blues move in, now I'm moving out. This old house ain't a home. Now we just can't fight it. I'm leaving today. I don't wanna argue or shout. You let the blues move in, now I'm moving out. What's the use in buying a car if you won't buy gasoline? We used to be two and apart, now we can't get on the green. I don't know where it went, but it sure went a flying. Love's like dough that's been spent. Now there's no use of crying. Tell me, where can I go? East or west or north or due south? You let the blues move in, now I'm moving out. Hey. Buy gasoline. We used to be two and apart, now we can't get on the green. I don't know where it went, but it sure went a flying. Love's like dough that's been spent. Now there's no use of crying. Tell me, where can I go? East or west or north or due south? You let the blues move in, now I'm moving out. You let the blues move in, now I'm moving out. Oh, let's go. Never know how I love you so. Maybe I'm so blue without you. And you found someone new.
Og så bliver du ved med dit, nej, det regner, jeg skal gå. Så ryger du udenfor det. Og du skal ikke taste mig.
Who do you suppose I dream of both day and night, and whose loving arms I need
To hold me tight. Everybody knows I'm hypnotized.
Jeg kan også kun lyse næsten lige når jeg
Every time I look right into your eyes, I'll always miss whose lips I long to kiss. Who do you suppose, dear, it's you? I don't like singing this stuff. I don't know, I just can't help it. Everybody knows I'm hypnotized every time I look right into your eyes. Who do you suppose I'll always miss? Whose lips I love to kiss? Who do you suppose? Dear, it's you. Men den får mig også til at tænke på Gum. Det er ligesom mig og hendes sang. Bosque Ninja, Skovbarnet og Arbol Ombre, Træmanden. Ja, det er måske lidt svært. Jeg kan oversætte den til dig på et tidspunkt. Lige nu så har jeg bare lyst til at synge. En el tronco de un árbol una niña grabó su nombre henchida de placer. Y el árbol conmovido allá en su seno, a la niña una flor dejó caer. Yo soy el árbol conmovido y triste. Tú eres la niña que mi tronco hirió. Yo guardo siempre tu querido nombre y tú, ¿qué has hecho de mi pobre flor? En el tronco de un árbol una niña grabó su nombre henchida de placer. Y el árbol conmovido allá en su seno, a la niña una flor dejó caer. Yo soy el árbol conmovido y triste. Tú eres la niña que mi tronco hirió. Yo guardo siempre tu querido nombre.
Hallo!
¿Qué has hecho de mi pobre flor? Con candor el alma entera yo le di, pensando en nuestro idilio consagrar, sin pensar que ella lo que buscaba en mí era el amor de loca juventud. I finished cooking. Let's get it!
Ja.
Man er vel, hvad man spiser.
Den er både lidt krydret, og så kan du også godt lave noget ost til dig.
Check it out. We got some new German neighbors. We had a German neighbor once, just a single guy. Now we got a family over there.
Sådan. Så slipper du for at se hende.
Check it out. The German people who just arrived, I can't quite call them friends yet. Well, I guess maybe I can. They gave us some tea. And I just, I asked her, like, hey, do you guys have some tea? If you do, I'll make you some first. You know, because they just arrived in the rain. So I wanted to make some tea for them so they can heat up. And so yeah, I'm making some lemon tea for them. And then afterwards, I think I'm gonna make some orange tea for us. I have not had that in a long time. Oh, I'm so happy. I wanted this tea all day. Finally, I can relax. Oh my god, you guys don't understand how fucking excited I am about this orange tea right here. Let's fucking go. Those fucking retards stole my tea earlier today. I went back here specifically for a cup of tea, a cigarette, and some voice chat and chill. But yeah, I got completely denied. Now, my new German friends, I don't know what's with this place and German people. Maybe it's because it's in Jutland. But yeah, our new German friends gave us this orange tea. And I'm gonna savor it. And I'm gonna completely shower it in honey as well. Gonna overcompensate. Oh yeah, and what else have I been up to? I've just been gathering firewood and putting it in here to dry somewhat. Yeah. Look what I found. Hey buddy. It's time to go to bed, buddy. No. It's past your bedtime.